brekkie today. My mommy hard-boiled me an egg and some sweet potato, and then I'm gonna make a coffee. So we are so healthy. We are literally in our like healthy girl era. Hey, no, I'm just kidding. But I'm gonna eat all that. I was gonna make ramen, which is definitely not healthy girl era, but since that's all there, I'm going to have that. I don't know if I just said I'm gonna make a coffee, but I am gonna make a coffee. Oh, hello lighting. And yeah, it's gonna be great. I'm gonna plate it up and then I'll come back. I'm greedy and I ate the egg already, but I'm gonna have 2 pieces of potato and I'm gonna make the coffee with my baby. This is brekkie, sweet potato, coffee. There was an egg, I was greedy and I ate it. After food, I don't know, like I have some things I need to do. I need to like log a trip. I went to Korea in September, months ago, and I was like making a log of it and I kind of paused in the middle. I need to get back to that, so I think I'll do that today. I don't know, maybe I really kind of want to do nothing. It's Sunday, okay, but we'll see. I'm gonna eat this and then figure out how I feel and what I want to do. I'm also sick, so I deserve an easy rest day, in my opinion. Okay, but we'll see. I'm gonna be productive and I'm gonna clean my room because I think it's getting a little dusty and I'm already sick, so I think the dust is just not helping at all. So I'm just gonna really like dust all the surfaces, especially, hold on, my perfume shelf. Oh my god, it's so excessive and I should use the opportunity to declutter, but I just like, it's not that I like to hoard, but like this was all money. Like I don't want to just throw it away, and it's not like I hate anything on that shelf. Like I love some, I like some. So I'm always like, I'll use it. I don't want to throw it away, I'll use it. So I don't know. It's a good opportunity to declutter. I just know I won't. So I'm not gonna pretend. But maybe I'll like go through it on camera and like go through some notes. Literally look at the dust. I don't even know if the camera's really picking it up, but like if I wipe it, oh my god, it's like disgusting. And then this is like everything that was there. I don't know if the camera's really focusing. And then there's more here. The camera is not focusing at all, but yeah, just everything. I need to like reorganize everything, which I will do after I clean that dusty mess. And then I'll like kind of go over the whole vanity. Okay, let's go. Okay, I don't really know the best way to angle this, but okay, whatever. So the shelf is clean. I need to start putting things back. And I figured I'm just gonna start going through my collection, because why not? I have 3 perfumes from Dua. I think it's like mostly known as like a dupe brand, which I'm not against or anything, but I don't really like them because I feel like they have this harsh like pencil shavings opening. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm not the biggest fan of them. I do like this one, Whip Fluff by Mr. Sniffles, but Marshmallow Dream and Marshmallow 2.0, which are the other ones I have, I'm not the biggest fan of. So I probably just won't purchase from the brand again. Like, I don't know, I don't like that opening. I think it's better on clothes than on skin, but I've used better, truthfully. Next I have this one by Source, 2 AM in Lafayette. I have a couple sample size too. This is the only full size I have. I really like this one. I like Source as a brand. But I feel like the longevity isn't really there. I don't know, like I think with Snow Moon Magic and that one it is, but like some of the other ones, like I think after like an hour or two it's faded so much. So I'm not the biggest fan, although I do think it is worth it because they're not that expensive compared to like other perfumes on the market, you know. Like I feel like Source isn't that bad, but I do think there's a lot of like overhyped to it. I don't know, sorry. But I do like that one and Snow Moon Magic. If you could get Snow Moon Magic, it's very hard. Then I have a couple minis from different scents by Ari. I like really niche brands for perfume. If you couldn't tell, these are 3 I didn't really like. But they're inspired by like Asian desserts, and a lot of them are really good, but like these 3 specifically are just like not my favorite. I think I have like 4 others that I did like, which I keep them separate because like those I just want to finish, and the ones I did like I actually want to like use. So I just keep them a little bit separate. I'm trying to like figure out how I want to organize this as I'm talking. And then I have this one by the brand Passade. It's called Last Saffron. I got this in Korea when I went. I feel like at least once a video I'm saying this is from Korea. But, and then same with this one by Nonfiction called The Gray. I like both of those a lot. I just don't think I can get them again when I run out unless I go back, which I'm not planning to go back anytime soon. So I'm very careful when I use those, and they gave me a mini, which is very cute. The Gray is like more masculine, which isn't typically my vibe, but I really like that one. And then Last Saffron is very, I kind of get rose, but I guess it like has that strong saffron note to it. I use it with a rose scented like body lotion that I have, body butter, and I really like the 2 of those combined. Next I have Lattafa Yara. I like this one. It's a very good floral. I think a lot of Lattafa scents are very overhyped in my opinion on TikTok, but I actually really did like that one. If you like floral, you will like that. Then I have Giorgio Armani C. This is just a very good like everyday kind of fragrance. I think my mom got that for me for my birthday. Would I say it's my favorite? No, but am I gonna use her? Of course, because again, I don't throw away things unless I absolutely hate them. Oh, and then I have Lattafa Camera. This is one that I think was very overhyped and I don't really like it at all, but I like to wear perfume at home, so that's how I'm gonna use that. And then I have this body spray by Victoria's Secret in Heavenly Dream Angel. I do like the scent. I just think it doesn't go with what I wear on a daily basis, so I think that's another one I'm gonna use at home. And then I have more scents by Ari perfumes. Whisper Milk, Vanilla Baby, Dolce Mismo, and Milk Candy. These are ones I actually really like. So I keep them separate from the other 3 I showed because I actually want to use these as like proper perfumes going out. The other ones I'm just going to use like at home. Again, Asian desserts is what the scents are inspired by, and they're so good. You just want to like take a bite of your skin. Next, it's never ending, I told you. I have a shimmer body mist in Love Shimmer Dream Girl. I don't love the scent on this, but I do like the shimmer effect, so I keep it here. Again, it's a body spray, so once you spray it, the smell kind of disappears anyway. So I just spray it whenever I just want a little bit of shimmer. I don't care about the scent too much. And then I have this perfume by the brand Sentique. This was also from Korea, and I don't know if we can get this here. So it's good though. It's kind of like fruity, but there's like a fruity, and I think it's kind of like gourmandy. I don't know. I like it. I use it very sparingly though. And then the last, but certainly not the least, this is like the bulk of my collection. It's all my body oils, body smoothies, body sprays, and perfume oils by Isle Fever. I love Isle Fever. I love everything they put out. I could go into a whole tangent on how much I love Isle Fever and everything I have. But I'm a little bit obsessive, so when I like a scent, I want it in everything. So I have this oils or smoothies and the spray. So I always just like put them next to each other, and I put them in order of my favorite scent, which constantly changes. But right now, the scent Cardamom Cookie and the scent Maya are like my top 2 currently, but I love everything here. This scent is Marshmallow Musk. It's inspired by Commodities Milk. I love this. It's like toasty, marshmallowy. I love this in the fall, in the winter, but I wear it year round. I don't care. I do not believe that gourmands are meant for the colder weather. I think they're meant all year round. Then I also have London Fog, which is inspired by the drink. I personally never had one, so I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it has that lavender, vanilla, like icy milk. I get jasmine. I don't know if jasmine is a note. Oh, there, jasmine is a note. Cold milk, lavender, santal, vanilla syrup, orange blossom sweet cream. It's amazing. I feel like it's just so pretty and like kind of mysterious a little bit. Like I love this one. This is such like a good daily scent in my opinion. And then my next scent, guys, there's like so much more to go. Blue Vanilla. This is like cotton candy and vanilla and a little bit of fruit. I actually got this thinking I wasn't gonna like it at all, but I do. The cotton candy note, oh my god, it's so sweet, but it's not like childish and, you know, you're kind of like, oh, like, you know, like it's very like mature. I don't know, like I could wear this to work and not feel like, oh my god, like the people around me are gonna like cover their nose because it's too much. And then I have 2 limited edition scents, a vanilla chai, which is like winter only, and rose fantasy, which is summer only. I love rose fantasy. Vanilla chai I'm like okay with. I really liked it when I first got it. I don't know, I don't really like it as much anymore. But rose fantasy, I like, oh, it's like a sexy rose, like it's like a perfect evening scent. I wear it like winter or summer, it doesn't matter, but I think it's so sexy. Like I love rose fantasy. These are the perfume oils I was talking about. And every time I mention I have a perfume, whether it's an XL or a mini, I just, again, I love to layer and I want to smell like it all day. And then I just have a couple more. I have a lot. I have their like most popular one, vanilla silk. I really like this one. I think me personally, I like vanilla in like as a note. I don't really want it as the main event. So I'm not like, vanilla silk's not like my favorite, but I think it does make a really good base for like other scents you want to layer on top and kind of make a little like concoction, you know. So I do like that one. I think it's a good one to have, and it's the most popular for a reason. You know, who doesn't like a good vanilla? And then I also have taro milk tea, which is discontinued now. It kind of smells like a ube sugar cookie, and it's really good, and I'm sad it's discontinued. But this is the tray, properly organized. Oh, I wish it would focus. What the heck? And clean. You could see very excessive. I'm fully aware, but everything will be used eventually, I promise. And this is the clean vanity. Tissue I was wiping with. Of course, my babies. I have all 5. I'm missing JK and Tay. I will get them eventually though. And that is that. One day I'll probably do a makeup collection. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah. Clean vanity. Now I need to do the rest of my room, which I probably won't film. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed cleaning my vanity with me.